If you're looking for the websites from where you can read the books online and that too totally for free, then in this video I'm going to show you one website from where you can both read the books online. The website which I'm going to show you is this website. I'm going to give the address of this website in a minute. This is the website which I want to recommend you. This website has a huge collection or database of the books, and over here as you can see that they have more than 31 million books available online. And from here in this site there are the filters. You can search or filter out the books by years and their topics, and then the collection you can search by the creator also, and you can also filter your search results in the form of the languages. For example, I want to search within this Canadian libraries and I want to click this first University of Toronto, and these are the books which are uploaded by the University of Toronto and they are available online for reading. So I'm just going to click this first book. So once you will click the book, this interface is going to open, in which the book will be available for reading immediately. And in this interface you can simply turn the page from here. You can go full screen. You can read from the single page and you can also zoom in, and interestingly they also have the audio formats available. So in case you don't want to read from the screen, you can just click this icon and the software or the website built-in read aloud function would read the books to you. So these are the books which are there which are not free and you can borrow them. For example, if I'm going to click this first book collection, and it is going to open, and as you can see that while the book is available for the preview, but its content I cannot read unless I log in and I click this borrow button. So just need to log in and borrow the button. Okay, the last thing which I wanted to cover is that the books which are available for free, they can also be downloaded, and you can go down and here you will see the download option. You can download in all these formats, which you can see that almost every kind of a format, Kindle, PDF and the EPUB, all formats are available, and you can just click on these links and you will be able to save these books offline for reading. So the website is called Internet Archive. The URL link is shown here, archive.org, and once you will go onto this website you will see this screen. Basically it is Internet Archive is a non-profit library of millions of free books, movies, softwares, music, websites and more. So in order to read the books, you just need to click this icon, which is indicating that there are 31 million books available, and you can go here, and as on the top it is saying that 20 million books are free and 2.3 are available for borrow. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.